Welcome to MTSU and on-campus living. I'm Michelle SAFEWRIGHT and I'm the Director of Housing. We are anxiously awaiting your arrival here this fall, and although things will look different this year, our staff is committed to our mission of enhancing your academic success and making sure that you feel a part of our community. One thing that will be different this year is our move-in process. In order to help with social distancing, we have moved our move-in process from 3 days to 5 days, and we have assigned you specific times to arrive on campus. When you arrive on campus, you will come here to our softball lot, which is adjacent to our student services and admissions building and across the street from Scarlet Apartments. When you get here, we will check to make sure that you have all your pre-check-in forms ready. And please remember that we are allowing each student to only bring 2 guests this year. KRISTEN, will you please explain our pre-check-in process?
Hi everyone, I'm KRISTEN KOLB and I am the Assistant Director of Housing Operations here at MTSU. If you've ever called our office or emailed the housing email, you have reached me and my staff. We do the room assignments, the application process, and ultimately we're doing a lot with the pre-check-in form process for this year. As Michelle mentioned, we will have a pre-check-in form that is available through the MT Housing portal that you will need to complete online and in advance of your arrival for this year. Within that pre-check-in form process, it has directions on how to get to the softball lot, but more importantly, it has the information on your move-in date and time. It is critical that you come during that move-in date and time this year because we are trying to spread out students over the 5 days in order to maintain social distancing. So here we are. When you arrive into the softball lot, you are going to be looking for a tent that looks just like this. It'll be an open process. You come in, you stop by your car with your car. We will hand over information, including a placard that you put in your dashboard before you go to your hall, as well as directions on how to get to your building. This will be the first stop of your process. You'll loop around, you'll head out, and then go directly following the directions in that placard form to get to your building. Once you head to the hall, Amy will be meeting you there to show you a little bit more about the process that you will take once you get to the facilities. We can't wait to see you, and we will meet you soon.
Hi, I'm Amy KORSTANGE, and I am the Associate Director for Residential Life here at MTSU. And that means that I have the opportunity to work with all of the students and staff who live and work in the residence halls. So that's all of the area coordinator staff and the desk assistants and the RAs and the resident directors as well. A bunch of really great people who are very excited to meet all of you when you get here in a couple of weeks. As you have already heard, when you are finished at the softball lot, you will drive with your placard and a map to the building where you will be living this coming fall. And I'm here in Cummings Hall, which is one of our buildings. All of our lobbies will be set up in a way that you can follow the directions on the floor. There will be staff in each of the areas kind of helping you figure out what you're supposed to do next. And they will be also very excited to meet all of you because they will be living there and working there as well. When you arrive, have one person that have a student come in, and student, you will go to the front desk where you will get your key, and then you will have the ability to have 2 guests with you, and those 2 guests can start unloading your items to the curb, and then one person will need to immediately move your vehicle to a parking space once everything is unloaded to the curb. Once you're finished getting your key, you'll head back out, get your items, and start moving in with your 2 guests to your room on campus. Please make sure that you have a mask and that you have gloves and that you use our various pieces of hand sanitizer and things like that that we'll have around the area as you are moving in. We'll also have limited the elevators to 2 people or 1 family so that we also limit the amount of people who are going to be going up and down on elevators at any given time. The staff, like I said, will be there. They're going to be very excited to see you, and they'll be able to answer questions and welcome you to campus. And then keep an eye out for all of the pieces of information that are going to come out about ways that we're going to get you involved and to get you excited to be here at MTSU here this fall. So thanks so much. Daniel WYNNE will now talk with you all about all of our various custodial and maintenance things that we have planned for the fall, and he's got lots of great information. So please meet Daniel.
Hi, I'm Daniel WYNNE. I'm the Assistant Director for Housing for Facilities. I'm responsible for the maintenance and the cleanliness of the residential halls and apartments. Currently, my staff is working hard to prepare the dorms for your arrival this fall. During the semester, we will work continuously to work hard to maintain and upkeep our dorms. We have implemented a 30-minute work plan. So when you call in a work order, our staff, during normal working hours, our staff will come out within 30 minutes and lay eyes on the work request. And if we can't fix it then, we will have the ball rolling to fix the problem and get the supplies needed for the repair. To turn in a maintenance request, you can go to our main housing webpage, and there's a link at the bottom right-hand corner. You can click here to submit a work order by online, or you could call our main housing line at 615-898-4116, and you can talk to our staff and then submit the work order. This semester also, due to the COVID, we will enhance our cleaning. Also, we will work 7 days a week to enhance our cleaning and clean touch points and things doing 7 days a week instead of 5 days a week this time. Also, cleaning products can be obtained by going to the front desk and asking for cleaning supplies. We do have cleaning supplies, disinfectant for additional cleaning beyond what our staff do provide. Thank you.
We look forward to having you a part of our True Blue family.
See you
on campus soon!